like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit.
Galleries, gandang umaga. Ano na naman sa Asunsyon, mag-atera-atera na naman. Ay, naku. Maggalagala tayo sa galleries. Mainit ang panahon, pero kahit mainit ang panahon, naka-jacket pa rin sa Asunsyon, alam nyo. Kasi ang ano natin, bag natin, at maglalagay tayo ng sapatos na. Kaya dyan kayo muna sa yan. Mainit ang panahon. Pag-jacket sa Asunsyon. Yan. Tayo sa galleries. Muni-muni. Ang mic natin, ganyan. Nasaan yung key natin? Kalimutan ko yung key. Key natin. Kailangan natin yan. Saan tayo? Basta. Ten 10:05 yung bus, kaya yung bus natin. Flat natin. Mga yan, mga opisina. Yan. Yung yan na
come and easy go. You're an unfading star, a gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Through each night we'll keep burning bright. to be loved by you. And come the storms of weather, short or long, well, I'll still be right where you are. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I called home. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I called home. Do you know when it called love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I called home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
Tayo sa ano. Ganda nito. Sa ano. May ano dyan. Mountain warehouse at sa Humbag. Oh yeah, hello to Tanya.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, we went yesterday and that very nice the restaurant, eh?
You left before, yeah?
Yeah, before,
We had the major refurbishment breakfast area and reception. Now it's like this new.
Because we met a tour guide there staying in the hotel. Then we had a dinner in Tovi, you know. So I said, I'll go there and Probably Stanya there.
No, couple days off. Time off sometime.
Then I said, oh no, it's not. The blonde hair?
Janice.
But I don't know her anyway.
Sharon on breakfast usually.
Oh yeah.
Sharon and on late shift Janice.
Yeah. So we went there at like about 4 o'clock in the yesterday afternoon. Then I said, oh, hopefully Tanya there. I said, because normally you work night,
Oh wait, I think we received one of your package like
A tiny one.
yellow.
Yeah, like because I want to use it in the wedding,
Ah,
So it's alright. So I said to myself,
lost property, yeah. This gets for sure. Yeah. But if you want, select your
no, it's alright. It's just like a ribbon.
Yeah. Yellow.
So
I saw
yellow.
your surname, but you don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, so I said, oh my gosh, I don't have any telephone for them. But at least if I want to visit them, Sharon, Sharon as well.
Sharon, different. You never know how we work, like we have different shifts, different days. You sometimes don't know. Sometimes cover shifts,
Yeah. So I said, oh my, they're very nice. They done very nicely, the restaurant, I said, oh my gosh.
But still, only breakfast. No bar, no restaurant, only breakfast area.
Oh, that's good, okay, better have the restaurant, So,
How long do you stay until the end
end of the year.
of the year?
Yeah, we're going home on December in Philippines. Yeah, for 1 month.
Christmas at home?
Yeah, Christmas home with the mom, with the family, So, yeah. Yeah.
Anyway,
So,
and if you want to pop up, but you never know when we're going,
all right, Tanya.
Hopefully, you never know. Maybe
Yeah, okay.
it's like holiday ones. We have premium plus rooms,
Yeah, we do. Yeah, I know.
Premium plus rooms somewhere with aircon,
Yeah.
chocolate and water.
Yeah.
That's it,
We
enjoy.
stay in the premium anyway. 3 to 4 days in there, in your hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I understand,
I got aircon. I got chocolate. I got coffee machine. So
And what did you do? Just shopping?
yeah, shopping. I get something. I put my jacket because I'm burning my skin. Yeah. Yes. What?
No, I'm just taking away.
Oh, it's okay for you. It's okay. It's good for you because you got white skin. For me, I get more brownie like.
You like brown skin. But it's finally like summer. You don't know what in 1 week it will be.
Yeah. Yes, I say hello to Dave and Dave and Sharon and Jack.
Yeah, we're still working.
Yeah.
Still working, but different shift.
Oh yeah, morning.
Like Jack only on breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast. Yeah. So.
David, Sharon. So it's summer. Now
So.
we're very busy.
Yeah, very busy yesterday. So many.
Holidays.
Yeah. So
Holidays.
yesterday is very busy. I went there. I said, oh, just look around in the breakfast area. Oh my God, very nice. I said to Steve, I said we're coming one day to have a breakfast.
Just have a look.
Yeah. So.
Anyway,
Okay,
nice to see you.
take care,
And
Tanya.
and maybe
Yeah. Okay, Tanya. Bye.
bye-bye. And if you will by mistake send us just photos, except
Yeah.
stuff. Because we
Yeah. Okay. Tanya. Bye.
I'm not weird enough to tell you my love. I give you all my heart, give you all my life. Never once look back. I give it all to you. I give you all my heart, give you all my life. Never once look back. I I like how we just
Dali. Ang init.
I like that we've been sitting here hands moving around.
Nahulog na yung sabihin ko.
Can't get enough.
Ay.
No, I can't get enough. You look in my
Galing
eyes.
sa shop, kaya, oh God, ang init, kaya, whew,
Trying hard to jump, not to move.
mainit sa labas. Naka-jacket ako kaninang lumabas. Pero, ay, sobra sa init. Nalis ko na yung jacket ko. Alam nyo naman siya, Sonsyon. Pag ano, lumalabas, naka-jacket, naka-sombrero, kaya, ayan, mag-haul tayo kung ano ang binili natin. Naka-on yung ano, yung ano natin, yung electric pan natin. Nilim ko yan kasi sa init ba. Kaya, mainit. Tingnan natin kung anong binili ko kanina sa ano, sa shop. Mag-unbox tayo. Mag-haul tayo. Yan. Yung mga binili natin, kung anong binili natin. Diba? Layo yun naman. Diyan. Para makita nyo. Ayan. Dami kong ano sa lamesa. Yung mga ano ko ba. Ito ang ano ko, yung invisible stick. So, yung mga extra battery ko. Yung bumili na naman ako ng ano, ng diet coke. Andiyan pa yung diet ko kahapon. Kasi pag naglalakad ako, diet coke. Ayan, itong binili natin sa shop. Yung kape, Nescafe na ano, caramel latte. At Nescafe golden honey mocha. Sa ganun lang ito, 1 pound something, 1 pound 50 sa BM store. At saka pangkulay ng buhok kasi itim na itim yung buhok ko ba, sobra. Kaya pag kinulayan ko ng ganito, magbra-brown yung buhok ko konti. Yung ano, ito ang ano ko, yung brand ko, Night and Wilson. Maganda to kasi may ano siya, may perfect sa treatment siya. Maganda sa buhok. Yan ang brand ko. Saka, alam nyo, gustong-gusto ko yung overnight oats. Kaya may overnight oats tayo. Yan, strawberry flavor. Dalawang binili ko. Yan. Gagawa tayo mamaya para kainin ko bukas. Kung hindi mauubos. Ano. At saka, ito, Starbucks vanilla latte. Ano sa ano isa ano ba Sainsbury, kung ano ka may nectar card ka, 1 pound 50 lang. Ayan. At saka white mocha na Starbucks. Sa bumili din ako ng ano pagkain ni Steve. Ito ang gustong gusto niya. Yung ano ba, Japanese wasabi chicken. I-air fry ko na lang mamaya. At ubos na yung ano ko yung foundation ko ba. Ito ang ano ko, foundation ko. Inflammable 30 hours fresh wear foundation with vitamin C and SP25. Maganda to kasi hindi siya nagmamak sa ano, sa ano ko ba, sa cloth. Nag-i-stay siya kahit punasan mo dyan. Hawakan mo, hindi siya nag-i-stay. Hindi siya nagmamark sa kamay. Kaya wala sa kamay, wala sa damit. Dalawa nang binili ko kasi 3 for 2. Ayan. At saka lipstick na super stay. Ang ano niya, hindi maalis yan. Hanggang alisin mo siya. At alam mo naman ako, napunta ako sa ukay-ukay na naman. Nalampasan kong ukay-ukay. Kaya ito, 1 pound something. 1 pound 20. Yan. Presko. At saka nakita ko to din, bigay ko na lang sa mga kapatid ko. Labhan na lang natin yan. Yan. I love England. I love England. At ito din, mahilig kasi ako sa ano, sa mga long sleeve ba. Ito. presko din ang ano niya, ang ano niya. Labhan na natin yan at ito isa-isa sa akong bag. Tikay muna.
Come the storms, weather short or long, will I still be right?
Yung isa kong bag, kinuha ko kaya. At ito, nakabili ako nito, bucket hat sa ano, sa anong shop yun? Yung mga ano ba? Anong shop nito? Ewan ko kung anong shop nito. Yung sports shop. Ayan. Yung bucket hat ba? Ayan, pila. Ayan. Maganda sa Pilipinas to. Ayan. Naging ano na lang, £1.99. 75%. Ang price niya noon, $7.99. Kaya, alam nyo, bumili na ako ng 4. May black, may purple. Sa atin, sabi nila violet, pero purple yan. Ito, puti. At ito, kulay gatas. Ayan, 4 na yan. Sa £1.99 na lang yan. Kaya, yan ang binili natin sa shop. At ito, okay ko na. Labhan ko na to. Quick wash ko na yan. Para, malagay na sa, suitcase ko. Kung pwede pang ilagay sa suitcase, ilagay ko na lang sa suitcase. Yung may isa pa akong balikbayang box doon na, natin. Di pa napuno. Yung 8, na-pick up na. Kaya, ayun. Naglinis yung taga-linis namin kanina. Kaya, ayun. Puput away na natin. Ilalagay na natin sa mga ito. Ito, kung gusto nyo to, maganda to yung overnight oats. Yan, may siya, may strawberry, may chocolate, at yung original, normal lang. Pero mas maganda kasi kung may prutas. Yan. Yung overnight oats. Kaya ito ang natin. Maggawa tayo ng mamaya. Ng overnight oats natin. Ilagay natin sa fridge. Ito ang lagyanan ko. At natin, i-empty na luto din natin to mamaya. Yung kakainin ni Steve. May sopas ako dyan kasi nagsopas ako kagabi. Kaya, yan na lang ang kakainin ko. Uuwi kami bukas, kaya basta pwede na magluluto ako. Basta ba'y kakainin si Steve, siya, okay lang siya. Ito, iuwi ko to kasi alam nyo, baka 1 week kaming hindi babalik dito kasi si Steve, mag-training siya, kaya wala kami dito ng 1 week. Kaya, ito, iiwan ko dyan. Ito iuwi ko sa bahay. Kaya dyan na siya yan. Kaya baka magkulay ako mamaya para pa naman maganda-ganda kundi yung buhok. Kasi yung itim-itim masyado. Nagpalit sila ng bedsheet. May bago tayong tuwalya. Dalawang tuwalya. Malinis na yan. Kasi linggo-linggo sila naglilinis. Kaya pinapalitan din nila yung beddings. Pasensya na kayo dyan kasi yan, nilabhan ko lang kanina. Tinambak ko na lang dyan. Lilinisan ko mamaya yan. Ayan, nilinisan nila yung tinambak. Mula pa yung tuwalya dun kasi bago tayong tuwalya, bago tayong bath mat. Ayan, nilinisan nila. Naglinis sila, kaya andun na yung mga shampoo ko doon. Dito ako, ilalagay ko dyan kasi si Steve sa kanya doon, sa akin dyan. Kaya, ayan. Naglinis sila, malinis ng ang flat natin. Kaya, ayan. Natin na to, natin yan. Alisin na natin yan, mga yan vlog. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At maraming salamat sa mga new followers namin sa Facebook. Thank you very much. At maraming salamat din sa subscriber namin sa YouTube. Maraming salamat. Welcome to our channels. Sa new followers namin dyan, welcome po sa aming channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa suporta at mag-ingat kayo palagi at huwag kalimutang maniwala sa Panginoon. God bless tayong lahat.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit